Hello everyone. I hope you are doing well. Today we will continue the kinds of adjectives. We learned in the last class, we ended with numeral adjectives, right? I mean adjectives of number. There we learn what is a cardinal adjective, cardinal number, and ordinal numbers we learn, right? Today we will talk about another type of adjective that is called demonstrative adjectives. To demonstrate means to point out something. So demonstrative adjectives point out which person or thing is meant. This boy is stronger than Harry. That boy is industrious. These mangoes are sour. These rascals must be punished. So here we point at something. This, that, these, those. So this is used as an adjective when it comes with the noun. We must remember what adjective is actually. Adjective is adding a quality to a noun. So this is used to add a quality to the boy. So this boy, that boy. We are looking at the far and say that boy. So we are adding a quality to the boy. So that boy. These mangoes. We are looking at some mangoes around us. We say these mangoes. So adding some quality to mangoes. And those rascals must be punished. So these kinds of words, these, that, these, those are adjectives when they are used with a noun. These kinds of words, when they are used with a noun, are called demonstrative adjectives. Okay? Which means to point out which person or thing is meant. This is used to indicate something closer to you or near to you. And also we should note it is used only for a singular noun. When noun is singular, we say this boy. Boy is a singular noun, therefore we said this boy. Now that is used to indicate something far from you, and that too used with a singular noun. Okay, that boy. This is a plural of this. This is used something near to you or closer to you. These mangoes. And this is a plural noun, therefore plural adjective here. So therefore it is used with a plural noun. Okay? This is used with a plural noun. Now those, that is the plural of that. Those rascals. So those is to use with a plural noun. Therefore, those is also a plural and used with a plural noun. Okay, so it becomes an adjective of something far from you. Right? Don't be in such a hurry. I hate such things. Okay? Demonstrative adjectives answer the question why, which, such a hurry. We sometimes say, no, don't be in such a hurry. Oh, I hate such things. So demonstrative answer the question what type or which type. Okay, which. It must be noted that when what, which, and whose are used with noun to ask questions, they are called interrogative adjectives. Actually, we are coming, moving on to another adjective that is called interrogative adjectives. We say, what is this? What is used, to ask a question? Okay? What is this? Here, this kind of what is used with a noun. It becomes interrogative adjective. Now you see, what manner of a man is he? Which way shall we go? Whose book is this? Here, what manner? See, we use this what along with the noun. Therefore, it is become an adjective. Interrogative adjective. Interrogative means to ask something. So, whose book is this? Whose book, whose is used as an adjective. So, after demonstrative adjectives, we learn interrogative adjectives, right? It must be noted that these and that are used with singular nouns. I'm just repeating it. Okay. These and that are used with singular nouns, whereas these and those are used with plural nouns. We have already mentioned that. It is worth mentioning that what is used in a general sense. As an adjective, what is used in general sense, whereas which is used in a selective sense. In the following sentences, the words on and very are used as emphasizing adjectives. Okay? Now you see examples. I saw it with my own eyes. Here you see on is used as an adjective, but it should say something to emphasize. For example, if you think that somebody is not trusting in you or not believing in what you actually are narrating, so you'll say I saw it with my own eyes. So here is say on is used to emphasize what actually you are saying. I saw it with my own eyes. He was beaten at his own game. Here also on is used as an adjective to emphasize that he was beaten at his own game. Mind your own business. We'll say sometimes mind your own business. So here is also on is used as an adjective with along with business to emphasize that. Now he is his own master. We say instead of putting to our mistakes to somebody, we will say he is his own master. Okay, own master. So this is also to emphasize that. Now that is very thing we want. You know, very is used as an emphasize as a when all else left my course, my very adversity took my part. So here also very is used as an adjective. So these are these kinds of adjectives are used as we use to emphasize. Okay, as already mentioned, this and that are only adjectives which are inflected or changed in form to indicate number. For example, we say for one, if it is single we have a form and plural we have a form. Now this can be this girl sings, this girl sings. These we can inflect the word this, we can make it to these girls sing. So we can inflect the word this into these. Now that boy plays, we'll say for plural those boys play. So this and that can be changed from one form to another form to indicate singular and plural. These and these indicate something near to the speaker. We have already said that also. These and these are used to say something about something when you talk about something closer to you or closer to the speaker. Now that and those are indicating more distant objects. For example, that boy is little far from you. So we can use that that or those when it comes to use to be used with a plural. Okay. Now we'll do some exercises. Pick out all the adjectives in the following sentences and say to which class each of them belongs. It's a good exercise because we will understand. This exercise will tell you whether you have understood the classifications of adjectives. So please write in the comments which category these adjectives belong to. The sentence 1, the ship sustained heavy damage. Number 2, I have called several times. Number 3, every dog has a day. Number 4, an alive ass is better than a dead lion. Every man has his own duties. Several persons were present at the time. He is a man of few words. Neither party is quite on the right. What time is it? Which pen do you prefer? The way was long. The wind was cold. The minstrel was firm and old. He comes here every day. I have not seen him for several days. There should not be much talk and little work. Karim won the first prize. The child fell from a great height. He was absent last week. He died a glorious death. A small leak may sink the great ship. Smart people need no push. With this, we conclude this lesson for today. Please write your comments, subscribe to our channel, and activate the notification bell to receive more lessons in our English grammar series. Thank you for watching.